blinking LED using the Arduino Uno R3 board and Arduino IDE. So this is the Arduino Uno R3 board, and that's the USB used for this, the cable. You connect this side in there, you have to click the click sound, and then you take the other end and you plug it into your computer. Before all this, you should have the Arduino Bridge plugin, otherwise the software will not recognize your Arduino board. Once the Arduino is plugged into your PC, the green power light will turn on. The TX and RX are going to blink now, the lights, because that indicates that the program is going into the Arduino board from the computer to the board. The reason I put a breadboard there is because we're going to put the LED, the resistor, and the two wires into the breadboard. So first I'm going to connect one black wire to the ground of the Arduino board. Then I'm going to take the other end and stick it into the negative horizontal line on the breadboard, which would give a whole horizontal line negative ground power, which is from almost nothing to no power. Now I'm going to get this red wire and connect one end to the plus sign labeled horizontal line on the breadboard to the power 5 volts on the Arduino. This will give that whole horizontal line 5 volt power. This is generally used for other projects, but for this project, since we're using programming, we will not require this horizontal line or the power coming from the breadboard. We will actually be connecting a separate wire from pin number 13 to give power to the LED, so the program can start working there. Now I'm going to get a resistor, and I'm going to stick this resistor in the I26 hole on the breadboard, since that's how you identify the different holes on the breadboard, using the numbers and letters that are on the columns and rows. The other end of the resistor is going to go into hole B27. I almost forgot to mention, the resistor is a 220 ohm resistor. This resistor is required so the LED does not get burnt out. So now I got a LED. I chose to get a blue one. I'm going to stick the positive end into the hole right below the one where the resistor is connected to, since all the rows are connected and the columns which are labeled plus and minus are also connected together, as in the 5 dots below the positive sign and then the ones next under those are all connected in a line. That's my fault. I'm not supposed to connect it into power, so now I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put it into the pin 13 on the Arduino board. The other end of this wire is connected to the dot above the one where the resistor is connected to, since those rows are connected. Next, I'm going to get a black wire, connect one end to the negative leg of the LED and the other end into the ground, which is where the black wire there is connected in the column, negative column. Now the LED is turned on, so the program's working now.